Using your Android phone, go to www.simpletv.solutions. Navigate to the top menu and click on Installation. Before downloading the application, ensure that you go to Settings and allow installation by selecting Unknown Sources. Scroll down till you find Click here to download SimpleTV Lite button. Proceed to downloading the application on your phone. Once prompted, click Install to start the installation process. Click Open. Enter your email address in the box provided and click Send PIN. You will receive an email with your 4-digit PIN code. Enter your PIN in the space provided and click Activate. Congratulations, you've now successfully downloaded SimpleTV on your Android phone.